channel. If you're like me and you love discovering affordable luxury brands that don't compromise on quality or style, then you're gonna wanna stick around. Today, we are diving into LINJER, a brand known for its beautifully crafted, minimalist jewellery that's perfect for elevating any outfit. Whether you're in London or any of the major cities around the world or anywhere in between, LINJER is making waves in the jewellery world and I can't wait to show you why. Let's get into it. So, first things first, who is LINJER?
LINJER is a Scandinavian-inspired brand that's all about creating timeless minimalist jewellery pieces without the hefty price tag you'd expect from luxury brands. They're known for their clean designs, high-quality materials, and a focus on sustainability, which is something we can all appreciate these days. Their philosophy is simple: jewellery that looks and feels luxurious but is accessible to everyone. They've got everything from delicate rings to statement earrings, and let me tell you, these pieces are chef's kiss. Elegant, simple, and perfect for any occasion.
Now, let's get to the fun part, the unboxing. So the first thing that you'll notice about LINJER is that the packaging is pretty minimal and sleek. No unnecessary frills, just an understated box that pretty much just lets the jewelry do the talking for itself. And they also have these really pretty pink pouches. I've got a few pieces here that I had the opportunity to choose that LINJER kindly sent to me. So let's take a closer look at these. And if you stick around long enough, I also have a gift for you too. So I want to begin with something I can't get over. It's in this box. Let's see if I can actually open this gracefully. Oh, not bad. So it's in this box and honestly, it's the cutest thing ever. This is the cutest little case I have ever seen. Look how tiny. It's so cute. Besides the cuteness overload, I actually picked this out for many reasons. The colour and the shape of the box to me is just so classic and fits very much and very well into the autumnal season that we're currently in. But I also think it would be a really great match as like a cute accessory to fit inside your handbag for times when you're on the go and you might need to carry a few small pieces and you just want something that is very well organised and neat and small enough to actually fit into any of the bags that you own. Not only that, but how great is something like this for like traveling? Let's say you had some really cute, small, dainty pieces and you were going away for a weekend, or maybe you were going away for a long vacation and you wanted something like a small case to put your dainty jewelry pieces in and you didn't want them to get lost. This is the perfect case just for that. The perfect little box to store your jewelry in. A lot of my personal jewelry pieces are actually quite dainty. I don't really wear huge, big jewelry statement pieces. So a lot of the pieces that I currently own are really small. And so a box like this is perfectly suits somebody like me. And I also have a variety of small handbags. So if I'm traveling or if I'm just on the go and I want to pop out, something like this is honestly the most perfect box that I've come across so far. So yeah, I'm absolutely loving this. I also think a box like this makes for a really great gift. Don't you think? I think I would, if I was somebody who, maybe it was my birthday or for whatever reason I was celebrating something, I would absolutely love to receive something like this. I think it's so, so cute. Let's take the protective sticker off and then I'll show you what it looks like inside. I've been keeping this sticker on until I had the opportunity to show you guys so you can see first thing. Oh gosh, it's so cute. So inside, really nice, neat zip. Very simple. And then if I lift and show you inside, you can see it's got the really, really nice, neat space in there. You can put perhaps your earrings in this section here, and then maybe some rings or anything that's a little bit smaller. Or maybe you have like earring studs that you don't want rolling around in this bigger section. You can pop them in here as well, but it's got enough space in there. I can get 2, 4, 6, probably about 8 rings in this small case. You could also fit like a nice dainty bracelet in there. So yeah, really, really handy. I love it.
Next, I've got the Adaah Open Ring in 14 karat gold vermeil. Look at that shine. The name resembles the ring so well. I love the little leaf detailing, which looks so stunning worn around your finger. The ring is delicate but feels really strong. a top favourite for me.
When I was picking these pieces, I was a little bit concerned about the sizing, but what's really great about this ring is that although it's sturdy, it actually has a little bit to give, which is fantastic. So for example, if it didn't fit your finger exactly, then it has a little bit of room to kind of adjust so that it fits you kind of just right. I'm not entirely sure whether it's made for adjustment in terms of its design, but it has the ability to do that only slightly. And personally, I think that's fantastic, because that means for me, especially somebody that has, like many of us, different size fingers, where some rings will fit on one finger and not fit on the other, something like this is perfect. For example, I really like to wear a ring like this on my index finger, but if I wanted to, I could open the ring up just very slightly and wear it on my middle finger as well, which is fantastic because it gives me that opportunity to be a little bit versatile and wear them and mix and match and maybe stack up with other different rings.
Next, I've got the Isabel Opal ring in 14 karat gold vermeil. This ring is so beautiful and so incredibly unique. I find the detailing to be super clean and simple, and it's perfect for stacking with other rings or wearing on its own. I just love the different shades you can see in the opal, and the oval shape adds a nice subtle statement. Another delicate but strong and stunning piece. Lastly, I have the Isle ring. If you're looking for a versatile ring that you can wear with literally anything, this is it. The Isle is made from sterling silver with 14 karat gold vermeil, and I love how lightweight it is. This is the ring I would gravitate towards to wear on a daily basis for that extra polish to an everyday or your most basic look. Let's talk quality, because that's a huge part of why Linjer is getting so much buzz right now. They use premium materials like sterling silver, 14 karat gold vermeil, and even freshwater pearls.
So really and truly, you're getting pieces that not only look high-end but feel durable. No cheap costume jewelry vibes around here. And for those of you wondering, gold vermeil is basically a fancy way of saying thick gold plating over sterling silver. It gives you that beautiful gold look without that crazy price tag that you get with solid gold. Plus, it's longer lasting than regular gold plating, so your pieces are less likely to tarnish over time or wear down really quickly. These are the kind of pieces that you can pretty much wear every day without having to worry about them losing their shine. And honestly, who doesn't love that? Now, one of the things I'm actually loving about Linjer is how versatile it is. And you know we love versatility on this channel. Whether you're dressing up for a night out, or perhaps you're going into the office, or maybe you just want to run some errands, I find that their pieces add that perfect finishing touch to your look without being over the top. I actually went out for a date night last night where my outfit needed to be pretty casual because I was going to an Ethiopian cooking class, very cool. And so wearing pieces like this, which were quite dainty, elegant, and still had that shine, it just gave something extra that I needed for such a casual outfit. I was actually in a pair of these jeans and a black bodysuit, and it was just that little bit more that I needed to just spice it up for the evening and just give that wow factor for such a casual look. So for a casual look, I'd actually pair the Isle ring with maybe a t-shirt and a pair of jeans. It adds just enough detail to make your outfit look quite polished but still quite laid back. For a more professional vibe, I would add the Isabel Opal ring to my work outfit. This ring is quite subtle, but it definitely elevates the look. I find it to be quite sleek on the finger, but it also adds a mix of being quite casual but adding that nice balance of being quite elegant at the same time, which I think is what you kind of need for a professional vibe. And for a night out, I would go with the Adaah ring, specifically to be worn with a black dress, my personal opinion. This ring to me is quite a beautiful, delicate statement piece. It's got the perfect amount of shine to it that is perfect for an evening out. It's a minimalist ring, but it still adds the right amount of drama that you need. Now let's talk about price, because I know that that's a big factor when you are looking for quality jewellery. Linjer falls into the affordable luxury category, which means you're getting really high quality pieces of jewellery at a fraction of the price for some of the pieces that are similar that you'd find at high luxury retail brands. For example, these rings retail for about 50 to, I'd say, £70. For my US ladies, that's about $80 to $90. But considering the craftsmanship that actually goes into these rings and the materials that you're getting, I'd say it's a solid investment. Especially if you're like me and you prefer jewelry that you can kind of wear day in, day out, then these are really good pieces for the price.
Compared to traditional luxury jewellery brands, LINJER offers the same level of craftsmanship and quality, but at a much more accessible price point. You're paying for quality, not just a brand name.
As I mentioned earlier in the video, I have a gift for you guys. So if you're into what you're seeing so far, then you can use my discount code, which is Details with Monique. I'll put it somewhere down below. All one word, all caps, which gives you a very special offer on LINJER pieces. So if you're looking for something for yourself, or maybe you want to look for something for one of your loved ones, then definitely make the most of this code now. And with, dare I say it, that special holiday period that we all, or most of us, celebrate around December here in the UK, and for my US babes, from November, you know the one I'm talking about that's approaching in 2 to 3 months. This would actually be a great brand to look to for gifting for your loved ones. I'm about to start prepping some gifts from now because I don't have time to be running around during the holiday season, scrambling, trying to find nice pieces for family members and friends of my loved ones. So I would make the most use of this now, just say it. So if you're down to be just as organized, make the most of this code as soon as possible.
Another thing that sets LINJER apart is their commitment to sustainability. They've really taken steps to ensure that their production process is as eco-friendly as possible, using recycled metals and focusing on ethical sourcing. This is a huge plus, especially if you're trying to make conscious shopping choices.
So, is LINJER worth it? First impressions, I'd say so.
If you're looking for timeless, minimalist jewellery that's high quality, ethically made and won't break the bank, LINJER is a fantastic option. Their pieces are perfect for everyday wear and they've got something for everyone, whether you like delicate, dainty styles like myself or bolder statement pieces.
I'm actually pretty impressed with everything so far, from the cute little packaging that you get, really nice and soft, delicate, and protective, to the durability and style of the pieces that I've picked out. So if you're looking to invest in jewellery that you can wear on a daily basis and for years to come, then definitely check out LINJER. That's it for today's review. I hope this video gave you guys a better feel of LINJER and what they have to offer. If you're already a fan of the brand and you're thinking about picking up a piece, then let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fashion and styling reviews, and catch me over on Instagram at msmny for all your outfit inspo. Thank you very much for watching, angels, and I'll see you again in the next one.